Hello everyone, I'm Sia Mathu, a first year BMS student studying in Gomantak Ayurved Mahavidyalaya and Research Center, Shiroda. So, people, have you ever experienced a headache after working for long hours or studying for long hours by using a phone or working under stress? I'm sure you all must have experienced. So, such type of headaches are often mild tension type headaches. So today we will see how the Bhimseni camphor or the Bhimseni kapur is traditionally used in Ayurveda as a topical supportive remedy for such type of headaches. Along with the technical demonstration, I'll also explain its Ayurvedic principles and a small participant feedback to know its role in Ayurveda. So let us begin by understanding what actually Bhimseni camphor is and why it has been valued in Ayurveda for centuries. So let's
Bhimsini camphor, commonly known as Bhimsini kapur, is one of the most revered natural aromatic substances in Ayurveda. It is traditionally known as Karpura in Sanskrit and has been used for centuries for medicinal, spiritual, and household purposes. Its cool fragrance, analgesic properties, antimicrobial effects, and ritualistic importance make it unique among natural substances. Ayurveda recognizes Karpur as a valuable medicinal substance because of its ability to relieve pain, reduce inflammation, purify the atmosphere, and promote mental calmness. Modern medicine also utilizes camphor in topical preparations such as pain relieving balms, chest rubs, massage oils, and anti itch creams due to its counter irritant and cooling properties. Now, let us see the difference between Bhimsini and synthetic camphor. First, Bhimsini camphor. It is a natural plant source. It is used in Ayurveda, has a strong pleasant fragrance, and is usually sold in irregular crystalline pieces. Whereas the synthetic camphor is artificially manufactured, is mainly used in commercial products, has a sharper odor, and is often produced in uniform tablets or blocks. Now, let's understand the Ayurvedic properties of Bhimsini camphor through its Rasapanchaka. It has Tikta and Katu rasas, that is bitter and pungent. Its gunas are Laghu and Ruksha, which helps reduce heaviness and excess moisture according to Ayurvedic principles. Its Virya is Shita, which means it has a cooling potency, which is why it is traditionally valued for providing a refreshing effect and relieving burning sensations. Its Vipaka is Katu, which contributes to its therapeutic actions such as helping control microorganisms and reducing excessive accumulation as described in Ayurveda. Looking at the therapeutic actions or karma of Bhimseni camphor according to the Ayurveda. Bhimseni camphor possesses several important therapeutic actions. It acts as Vedastapana, which means it helps relieve pain. It has Kandukna action, helping reduce itching, and Krimigna action, which traditionally helps control microorganisms. It also acts as Shodhahara, helping reduce swelling and inflammation, and Pranashodhana, which supports the cleansing of wounds. In addition, it is Sugandhikara, meaning it imparts a pleasant fragrance, and Hridya, producing a refreshing effect that is traditionally considered pleasing to the mind and senses. Now, the action of the doshas. Karpura is generally considered to help pacify aggravated kapha because of its aromatic and penetrating qualities. Its cooling nature may also help in conditions associated with excess pitta, depending on the formulation and context. The overall effect depends on the dose, route of administration, and combination with other substances. A headache is a pain or discomfort in the head, scalp, or neck. It is one of the most common health complaints worldwide and is considered a symptom rather than a disease itself. Headaches can occur due to various factors such as mental stress, anxiety, lack of sleep, prolonged screen time, poor posture, dehydration, eye strain, or neck muscle tension. The symptoms may vary from person to person. Common symptoms include a dull or aching pain, a feeling of pressure or tightness around the forehead or temples, tenderness of the scalp or neck muscles, difficulty in concentrating, fatigue, and discomfort that may worsen the stress or prolonged work. Now, moving forward to the practical demonstration. So, the materials required are natural Bhimseni camphor and pure coconut oil. First, take a small piece of Bhimsini camphor and crush it into fine powder. Now, take a teaspoon of pure coconut oil and mix it with the powder. Coconut oil helps dilute camphor, making it gentler on the skin and allowing smooth application. Mix it until the camphor dilutes completely. Now, take a small amount of the mixture on your fingertips and apply it on the Stapani murmur. Stapani murmur, it is an externally accessible murmur located between the eyebrows and is traditionally associated with headache and mental relaxation. Now, massage around your eyes in a circular motion. Repeat this 4 to 5 times. Then, massage around the eyebrow area and then on the forehead. Massage until you feel relaxed. At last, gently massage over the temple areas in a circular motion. Now, spread the solution all over your palms and take your hands near your nose and inhale it for 3 times, blinking your eyes. This helps to activate all your senses. Here are some of the glimpses of me teaching my classmate how to apply the Bhimseni camphor along with the massaging procedures. Now let's understand its mechanism. When Bhimseni camphor is applied to the skin, it gives a pleasant refreshing feeling on the forehead. This helps the area feel more comfortable. It also stimulates the small nerves present in the skin. Because of this, the brain pays less attention to the pain signals, so the headache may feel less intense for some time. Bhimseni camphor also acts as a counter irritant. This means it creates a mild sensation on the skin that distracts the brain from the original pain, providing temporary relief. When it is gently massaged with coconut oil, the massage helps relax the forehead muscles and improves blood flow in that area. This can reduce muscle tightness and promote relaxation. Gentle massage over the Sthapani murmur helps relax superficial forehead muscles, stimulate cutaneous sensory receptors, improves local blood circulation, produces refreshing effect and acts as a counter irritant and provide temporary symptomatic relief in mild headache. Now, coming to its contraindications, avoid or use with caution in individuals allergic to camphor, who has broken skin, has large areas of the body, and young children, especially concentrated preparations near the face. Bhimseni camphor is not recommended for migraine, cluster headache, or headaches caused by serious medical conditions because these have complex underlying causes such as neurological disorders, vascular changes, or systematic diseases. They require proper medical diagnosis and specific treatments. Safety precautions should be used externally unless included in a regulated medicinal preparation. Do not swallow camphor. Avoid contact with the eyes. Do not apply to broken or irritated skin. Perform a patch test before first use and store away from children. To evaluate the experience after the application, feedback was collected from the participants. Here are their responses.
सर आपको सर दर्द कब से हो रहा था?
पिछले 15-20 दिनों से काम के तनाव की वजह से मेरे को सर दर्द हो रहा था।
आपको एग्जैक्टली किस जगह पे सर दर्द महसूस हो रहा था?
एग्जैक्टली बोले तो मेरा फोरहेड जो है वो फोरहेड बहुत दर्द कर रहा था।
तो भीमसेनी कर्पूर का उपाय करने के बाद आपको कैसा फील हुआ?
भीमसेनी कर्पूर लगाने के बाद मेरे को अच्छा लगने लगा। मतलब मैंने जो उपाय किया और इधर थोड़ा लगा के मालिश किया, बाद में उसका पाउडर बना के सूंघ लिया, तब इन्हेल किया, तब अंदर से थोड़ा ठंडा कैसा महसूस होने लगा और इधर फोरहेड भी ठंडा ठंडा लगने लगा।
लगभग 15-20 मिनट बाद क्या आपको सर दर्द में कुछ फ़र्क दिखा?
हाँ, बिल्कुल दिखा। धीरे-धीरे सर दर्द कम होने लगा और जो सर भारी लग रहा था वो हल्का लगने लगा।
सर क्या इसे लगाने के बाद आपको किसी तरह की जलन, खुजली या कोई परेशानी हुई?
ये लगाने के बाद मेरे को ऐसी कुछ परेशानी नहीं हुई, जलन या खुजली ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं। अच्छा लगने लगा।
अगर भविष्य में आपको ऐसा हल्का सर दर्द हो तो क्या आप डॉक्टर या वैद्य की सलाह से इस उपाय का इस्तेमाल करना चाहेंगे?
हाँ, बिल्कुल करना चाहूँगा और मैं बाकी लोगों को भी ये उपाय करने के लिए कहूँगा क्योंकि डॉक्टर के पास जाके मतलब एलोपैथिक डॉक्टर के पास जाओ गोलियाँ खा के उसका साइड इफ़ेक्ट भी हो सकता है, लेकिन इससे कुछ साइड इफ़ेक्ट नहीं है और ये नेचुरल है कर्पूर है, ये अच्छा है।
Okay, thank you, sir.
Then my classmate recommended me about the Bhimsini Karpur, and I applied it on the forehead और मुझे ना काफ़ी 15-20 मिनट के बाद ही काफ़ी सूदिंग और रिफ्रेशिंग फील हुआ एंड त्वचा में जो है वो इरिटेशन भी नहीं हो रहा था. सो इट इज़ ओवरऑल काफ़ी बेनिफिशियल टू द हेल्थ ऑफ अस रादर देन गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द मॉडर्न मेडिसिन एंड अपनी बॉडी को शरीर को तकलीफ देने के बजाय अगर आप लोग अगर आयुर्वेदा की तरफ ज़्यादा प्रायोरिटाइज करेंगे तो काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेगा आई गेस. एंड इसमें त्वचा को एज ए सेड की इरिटेशन भी नहीं होता है एंड काफ़ी सूदिंग और नरिशिंग होता है. सो इट्स वेरी हेल्पफुल. थँक यू.
मॅम तुमकां भीमसेनी कापूर यूज करून कशें दिसलें जावं तुमी लोकांक कितें सांगपाक सोदता ह्या उपाया बद्दल?
भीमसेनी कापूर यूज करून म्हाका खरेंच बरें दिसलें. पूण म्हाजी तेन्ना तकली दुखपाक लागली तेन्ना हांवें तेजो वास घेतलो मातसो आनी मातसो तकलेक असो लायलो. म्हणून अशें बरें दिलें, रिलीफ मेळ्ळें म्हाका अशें. म्हाजी तकली अशी सदांच केन्ना केन्ना अशी दुखताली. मे बी ते फूल डे कंप्युटराचेर आसता आख्खो दीस, तेजे रेज आसता. सो त्या रेजान फूल डे न्हू म्हणून ते तो मागीर घरा बी तुका मातशी दुखताली तकली केन्ना केन्ना अशी. म्हणून हांवें ते कितें केलें एक दीस तो तुमी भीमसेनी कापूर दिल्लो पळय तो एकदां लावन पळयलो. तुमी सांगलेलें न्ही बरें दिसता अशें म्हणून तो लावन पळयलो तो आनी खरेंच म्हाका तितून तेजो गुण पडलो असो. आमी कितें करता मातशी तकली दुखली कितें जालें म्हणटकूच डॉक्टरा कडेन वयता. डॉक्टरा कडून ते एलोपॅथीक गुळयो घेता. त्यो घेवच्या परस त्यो पेन किलर गुळयो घेवच्या परस म्हाका दिसता हो कापूर लायल्यार खूब बरो कसो दिसता. कित्याक तेजो मागीर हेजो कांय सायड इफेक्ट असो आसना. कित्याक म्हाका तरी अशें कांय खाज जावं कितें जळजळ तशें कांय जावना. बरें दिसलें. आनी तो जर तुमी आमी गुळयो घेतल्यो जाल्यार कितें जाता तेतून आमकां सायड इफेक्ट आसता तो आमकां कळना. इन लाँग रनान आमकां तो सायड इफेक्ट कळोन येता. पयलीं कांय कळना. पयलीं कितें आसता आमकां ऑन द स्पॉट बरें दिसता त्यो गुळयो घेवन आनी म्हणून आमी तेकाच प्रिफर करता. पूण तशें करचें न्हू आनी म्हाका तुमकां अशें सांगूंक अशें दिसता की हो कापुराचो यूज तुमी करपाचो. भीमसेनी कापूर जो आहा पळय खरोच तो उपयोगी आसा. तुमची केन्नाय तकली दुखली जाल्यार एकदां उपाय करून पळया. मागीर तुमकांच कळटलें की तो तेजो कितें फायदो आसा आनी कशें बरें दिसता पळय तें. कित्याक म्हाका तेजो यूज जाला आनी बरें दिसलां म्हणून हांव तुमकां सांगता. आनी इतलें सांगूंक सोदता की तुमी तो तेजो यूज करचो म्हणून त्यो एलोपॅथीक गुळयो घेवच्या परस.
The practical uses of Bhimseni camphor are: first, muscle pain, used in massage oils and balms to provide temporary relief from mild muscular discomfort. Second, joint pain, applied externally in some traditional formulations for temporary relief of minor joint pain. Third, nasal congestion. The aroma of camphor containing vapor rubs may create a sensation of easier breathing. Fourth, itching. Low concentrations in topical products may temporarily relieve itching. Fifth, religious use, used in arti and worship as a symbol of purity and devotion. In conclusion, Bhimseni camphor occupies an important place in Ayurveda as well as in Indian culture. It has been traditionally used for pain relief, respiratory comfort, and religious practices. In a small observational demonstration, participants commonly reported a cooling sensation and temporary relief from mild tension type headaches after external application. Thank you.